Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kamara Reaction. How are you guys doing? So I'm back, guys, with another reaction video to the group CNCO. I like that group. I really do. They're hot, they're talented, and they're hot. But seriously, I really do like that group because you guys already know about their album Deja Vu, but I still can't wait for them to release their original project that they wanted to release last year, but due to the pandemic they created to do a Deja Vu album, so which was very nice. So I can't wait for the original project. Yes. So basically this is Desero and Honey Boo. This is MTV Unplugged at Home, so they perform, so I'm curious to see what they're gonna be giving me. Probably they're gonna be winning a jacket or something, who knows.
Hey guys,
oh, wrong. Oh, he looks so good in pink.
And we want to sing a song for you guys.
One of his fans, one of the fans did message me. I think he has a girlfriend now, his current girlfriend, and I believe she was Miss California. She's a one of them pageant girl, very gorgeous girl. I saw the pictures and everything. I was like, oh, okay.
This song is called Desero. We hope that you enjoy it a lot.
Niña, tanto tiempo, ¿qué estás haciendo? ¿Qué es de tu vida? Dicen que estás sufriendo. Creo que tengo una salida. Cuando dejemos el orgullo y las barreras.
Come on, AirPods.
Y soltamos lo malo. Nos inventamos un atardecer. Si me
their lips moisturized.
El pasado olvidamos y de cero empezamos. Otro chance nos damos.
Yes, Richard.
Mejor dejemos la estupidez. Que el amor llega solo una vez. De cero empezamos. Otro chance nos damos. Mejor dejemos la estupidez. Que el amor llega solo una vez. Y mala mía, yo soy el tuyo, mami, y tú eres la mía. Dejemos eso ya que es una tontería. Yo olvida todos los temores y no llores.
They were using the AirPods.
Yo soy el tuyo, mami, y tú eres la mía. Dejemos eso ya que es una tontería. Yo olvida todos los temores y no llores. Vamos a vivir al máximo, la vida es corta y tú eres un regalo.
Yes, Chris. He said, I don't have no AirPods. I am using my headphones.
I'll take you anywhere you wanna go. I've got so much I want to show. Let's restart.
Okay.
And we'll go far. Y de cero empezamos. Otro chance nos damos los dos. Mejor dejemos la estupidez. Que el amor llega solo una vez. De cero empezamos. Otro chance nos damos. Mejor dejemos la estupidez. Que el amor llega solo una vez. Vamos a vivir al máximo. La vida es corta y tú eres un regalo. Si no pensamos suave, nos vamos de viaje hacia el infinito. Vamos a vivir al máximo. La vida es corta y tú eres un regalo. Casi no pensamos suave y nos vamos de viaje. Y de cero empezamos. Otro chance nos damos.
Come on, Richard. Okay.
Hey, what's up, guys? It's CNCO, and this is our MTV Unplugged of Honey Boo. You already know. Enjoy.
Oh, he looks so good.
Negro, su boca que combina con mi beso.
Oh, he looks so good in pink. It's just so fun. I'm not saying it's because of me, but I'm just saying he looks really good in pink. It's like every time before he started wearing pink a lot. I used to do in his earlier videos when you guys used to send me their fans used to send me a video to react to this group. I was like, he really looks good in pink. He should really wear pink. And every time I've always seen a video of him or he do anything or take photos, he's always in pink. I'm just saying the universe heard me and translate to his mind. I'm just gonna say that. Oh God, I'm so. That is not Miami in the back. If that's Miami, that must be Bayside area, Miami Beach.
Honey boo, nadie tiene más esa piel que tú. Y por donde pasas eres el boom. Yo te quiero de primero, pa' mí primero.
I love it.
Honey boo, nadie tiene más esa piel que tú. Y por donde pasas eres el boom. Yo te quiero de primero, pa' mí primero. Todos te quieren probar, pero aquí no hay pa' los demás. Mami, tú eres el menú especial de todo.
Yes, Richard, with a close-up with your moisturized face.
Como te gusta a ti, con una bomba de humor fuimos aquí. Casi agarramos vuelo, todo le den celo. Honey, en tu lista yo soy el primero. Oh, honey boo, nadie tiene más esa piel que tú. Y por donde pasas eres el boom. Yo te quiero de primero.
Yeah, primero.
Oh, honey boo, nadie tiene más esa piel que tú. Y por donde pasas eres el boom. Yo te quiero de primero, pa' mí
Yeah, primero.
Honey boo, de primero.
Yeah, primero.
CNCO,
Yeah.
honey boo.
Hey. Oh my God. So as you guys can see, that was CNC Performs Desero and Honey Boo with MTV Unplug at Home. I really do like that. Like I said over and over, I really do like to see me some Richard and Zabdiel and Chris and Joel and Eric. I really do like this group. So thanks to the one who recommended me to react this. I really do appreciate it. I can't, like I said over and over, I can't wait to see what they're giving me. I think there was in Team Vogue. I believe it was Team Vogue that I saw on their IG page for the CNCO IG page. I think it was Teen Vogue they did. Beautiful. I'm loving this new era, this new rebranding. Love it. For everybody else, what if you guys want me to react to? Feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can do you besides you? I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.